Greetings, all. I am Ruger coming to you from the bunker. Today, let's talk about a couple of things. First off, potable water. Potable water is going to be one of your primary concerns if, in fact, you have an emergency grid down situation and/or your water supply becomes contaminated, such as what happened in Flint, Michigan. Now, along with that, the second thing I'd like to talk to you today is redundant system. So, as preppers, we like our threes, and in my mind, there are basically three different ways to ensure that you and your family have good, clean, drinkable water in case of an emergency. One is just pure storage. First here, as you can see, is just storing water. It can be anything from these small plastic bottles up to canteens, different types of jugs. I personally like the 7-gallon blue cubes. Those are stackable, fairly portable, a little heavy, but you can still move them around, and yet they'll hold up to 7 gallons of water. Some folks take their storage all the way up to 55 gallons and above. I would say if you do store the 55-gallon drums, one of the tricks that I've learned immediately was make sure you put those things on the coasters that have wheels, and makes it a heck of a lot easier to move those things around because they are extremely heavy. Then obviously a lot of preppers have the very big 2,000 gallon and above storage containers that they put their potable water in. So with your redundant systems, first one is going to be just pure storage. Secondly is going to be some type of chemical treatment and or boiling. I put boiling in this category. If in fact you boil your water at a rapid boil for 10 minutes or more, you should be good to go as far as any type of pathogens that may be in that water. But other ways to do that, obviously, are bleach. Make sure that you know how to use bleach to purify your water. I would write down how much bleach it takes for different types of amounts and make sure that's written down in a place that you can get to quickly. Additionally, we have these off the shelf products, tablets that are readily available in just about any type of camping store, and those are very good, especially if you're out hiking and camping and you just want an extra measure of safety. Then my third type is going to be filtering water, and filtering can be anything from these personal size filters. This is actually a live straw. These are very handy, all the way up to the Berkeys. Now, I realize this Berkey's not fully constructed yet. This is actually my Berkey in reserve, not the one that Mrs. Ruger and I use on a daily basis. But a lot of people use these Berkeys in their everyday life, and they certainly can come in handy in a grid down or emergency situation. So let's review. Potable water is one of the main immediate concerns in a grid down scenario. And let's talk about redundant systems. Preppers like their threes, so we're going to go with storage, chemical, cleaning your water with chemicals, and or then filtering. This is I am Ruger coming to you from the bunker. Let's be careful out there.